Market Hub is a multi-asset platform owned by Banca IMI, the investment bank of Intesa Sanpaolo Group. Market Hub was born in 2008 together with the introduction of MiFID I. We offer a multi-asset solution with equity, fixed income and listed derivatives. But we are very concerned about what MiFID was introducing. At that stage, in November 2008, MiFID I introduced pre- and post-trade transparency for equity instruments, but only in Italy we introduced pre- and post-trade transparency even on the fixed income markets. And why I'm trying to highlight this stuff, because now MiFID II is introducing, as well as Italy did more than 7 years ago, the pre- and post-trade transparency on MiFID I. That is not the only one news about MiFID II. There was an introduction on new figures, like new kind of venue, like the OTF, and they changed a little bit the venue, like SI, like systematic internalizer. We have just said about the different venue. On the MiFID we got regulated markets, MTF, multi-trading facilities, and systematic internalizer. And the big news, the OTF. Okay. About OTF, we spoke a lot in the last years, but I thought we have to speak a lot in the next two, waiting for January 2017. But my personal opinion on that the OTF is the same figures that we got in the US, that is the SEF market for swap. With MiFID II, we are even in this conference. We keep talking about the equitification of the fixed income market. Okay, that means the change of the market structure, fixed income, more similar to equity side. Personally, I do not believe that could be feasible, because equity market is completely different from the fixed income market. Equity is very liquid, less bonds, less instruments than on the bond side. So what I think is that we have to find a way again to create a sort of virtual book. Fed by all the markets, all the small markets, in order to find the depth of the price, in order to give more liquidity, because the clue is finding for the liquidity for fixed income.